welcome to the channel. So as always, we want to keep you guys updated on everything happening out here in the Dominican Republic. So as of today, Tuesday, July 21st, the Dominican Republic has had over 53,000 positive cases and 993 deaths. A 45-day state of emergency began on Monday, July 20th, and will be enforced through September 3rd, through which time the government can restrict transit and assembly freedoms. A curfew has been put in place by separate cities for 20 days. Cities with the most positive cases like Santo Domingo, Santiago, Puerto Plata, Punta Cana have a Monday through Friday curfew beginning at 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. And Saturday and Sunday, the curfew is from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Smaller sections of towns with low counts like Samana, etc., have 7 days a week from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Airports will remain open, and the government insists that tourism will continue as long as everyone is doing their part to comply with the new laws. Masks are mandate, meaning that you can be fined for not wearing them in public. Social distancing will be regulated by military forces in the towns. Also in Puerto Plata and Santiago, the mayors have ordered closures of parks, squares, spas, and all public places that involve crowds of people. Local swimming spots, usually frequented in the summer months, will be policed by the Army and are off limits to people who usually hang out, drink, and go into the water. As far as we know, any beaches used for tourism will remain open for the time being, but everything is always subject to change by the government. Punta Cana now has about a 30% capacity, with the majority of their resorts still not open. As always, we thank you guys so much for tuning in. Keep us on notifications, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.